Unimac washer. Troubleshooting, resolving electrical issues. Electrical issues with a Unimac washer can be frustrating, but many problems have simple fixes. This section will guide you through resolving common electrical problems. You will learn how to check the power supply and reset the washer. Checking power supply. The first step is to check the power supply. Make sure the washer is plugged in properly. Sometimes the plug can become loose. Ensure the outlet is working by plugging in another device. If the other device does not work, the outlet may be faulty. Use a multimeter to check the outlet voltage. The voltage should be between 110 and 120 volts. If the voltage is too low or too high, contact an electrician. Also check the circuit breaker. The washer might not receive power if the breaker has tripped. Steps details ensure the washer is plugged in properly. 2. Test the outlet with another device. 3. Use a multimeter to check outlet voltage. 4. Check the circuit breaker. Resetting the washer. If checking the power supply does not resolve the issue, try resetting the washer. Unplug the washer from the outlet. Wait for at least 30 seconds. This allows the machine to reset. After waiting, plug the washer back in. Press the power button to turn it on. If the washer does not start, check the control panel for error codes. Consult the manual to understand the error codes. Follow the recommended steps to resolve the issue. Unplug the washer from the outlet. Wait for at least 30 seconds, plug the washer back in. Press the power button to turn it. Uncheck the control panel for error codes. These steps can help resolve many electrical issues with a Unimac washer. Always ensure your safety by taking proper precautions. Note: if you want to know more details, you can visit this website, HelloTroubleshooting.com.